Welcome to Riding Deer Outdoors. Today we're here on my back porch and we're gonna make cowboy coffee. It was brought to me by a buddy of mine, Random Adventures 2.0, about making cowboy coffee. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So you take your little kettle here that I got right here, my little Walmart special mess kit, with some water. Throw it right on top there, and we let her cook. Starting to get warm, add some coffee to it. I'm using Black Rifle Freedom Fuel. Take that off so we don't lose it. Stir that around a little bit. Get wet, and we let her soak. Alright, so here we are. Nice and steamy, getting warm. Give it another minute or so. Alright, so that should be nice and hot. There you go. Cowboy coffee. You got the grounds, you got the water. Cowboy coffee, that's how it's meant to be. So, we're going to talk a little bit about this burner. This is a Coleman burner. Picked it up here at Walmart. It's close to a jet boil, does what you need it to do. So, for now, I'm running Deer Outdoors. My name is Zach. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you're going to laugh at it, at least subscribe. We'll catch you guys later.